This is my amazing Stracciatella ice cream. It doesn't contain added sugar, and it's so much easier to make than you might think. Let me show you. 250 grams of xylitol, I'm adding 0.3 grams of xanthan gum and 0.7 grams of guar gum. Now add 50 grams of skim milk powder. Warm 500 grams of milk to 40 degrees Celsius. Then add the dry ingredients, mixing constantly and never stop mixing until the mixture reaches 80 degrees Celsius. Remove it from the heat and pour it over 150 grams of milk and 150 grams of whipping cream, both cold. Then add 20 grams of vodka-based vanilla extract and blend the mixture for 2 minutes. Cover the mixture with plastic wrap directly on the surface and refrigerate it for 8 hours. Then peel off the plastic and blend the mixture for 2 full minutes. Churn it in your ice cream machine following the manufacturer's instructions. And when the ice cream almost doubles its volume, melt 90 grams of semisweet chocolate with 10 grams of coconut oil. Slowly drizzle the chocolate into the ice cream with the machine going. Then finish the churning cycle and transfer the very soft Stracciatella ice cream to a frozen casserole. It's too soft to serve right now, and it needs some time in the freezer to firm up. At least 6 hours. Before serving it, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can scoop it out. And it's so easy to do it because the texture is simply sublime. It's like straight from a gelato shop in Italy, I promise you.